Hey there! Welcome back. In the last lesson, we talked about blogging with AI. Now we're diving into something super creative and profitable, selling AI art and digital products. Whether you're an artist or just someone who loves creating cool stuff, AI tools like MidJourney and DALL-E can help you turn your ideas into sellable digital products. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional artist to get started. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to create stunning AI art, sell it online, and even turn it into physical products. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about why selling AI art is such a great opportunity. Digital art is in high demand right now, and platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Printful make it easy to sell your creations. Plus, with AI tools, you can create unique, high-quality art in minutes, without needing years of artistic training. Whether it's digital prints, phone cases, or posters, there's a market for it. Ready to see how it works? Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Create AI art with MidJourney or DALL-E. Let's say you want to create a piece of digital art. Instead of spending hours drawing or painting, you can use AI to do it for you. Here's how. 1. Sign up for MidJourney, midjourney.com, or DALL-E, openai.com/doll-e. Next, type a prompt like, "A futuristic city at sunset, cyberpunk style." Then, hit enter, and watch as the AI generates stunning art in seconds. You can tweak the prompt to get exactly what you want. For example, try adding details like 4K resolution or watercolor style to refine the results. Pro tip: experiment with different prompts to find your unique style. The more you play around, the better you'll get. Step 2. Sell your art on Etsy or Redbubble. Once you've created your art, it's time to sell it. Platforms like Etsy and Redbubble are perfect for this. Here's how to get started. 1. Create an account on Etsy, etsy.com, or Redbubble, redbubble.com. Then, upload your AI-generated art. Next, write a catchy title and description, for example, Cyberpunk City, Sunset, Digital Download. Finally, set your price. Digital downloads can sell for $5 to $20, depending on the complexity of the art. Pro tip: use keywords in your title and description to help customers find your art. For example, include terms like digital art, AI generated, or cyberpunk. Step 3. Turn your art into physical products. Want to make even more money? Turn your digital art into physical products like phone cases, posters, or mugs. This is where print-on-demand services come in. Here's how to do it. 1. Sign up for a print-on-demand platform like Printful, printful.com, or Printify, printify.com. Second, upload your AI-generated art. Next, choose the products you want to sell, like phone cases, posters, or tote bags. Then, connect your Printful or Printify account to your Etsy or Shopify store. When a customer buys your product, the platform handles the printing and shipping. You just sit back and earn the profit. How cool is that? Alright, let's recap tour 1. Create AI art with MidJourney or DALL-E. Secondly, sell your art on Etsy or Redbubble. Finally, turn your art into physical products with print-on-demand services. That's it. You're now ready to create and sell your own AI-generated art. But wait, there's more. Once you've got a few listings up, you can promote your art on social media, collaborate with influencers, or even run ads to drive traffic to your store. The possibilities are endless. Now it's your turn. Here's your action step for this lesson. 1. Sign up for MidJourney or DALL-E and create a piece of AI art. Then, upload it to Etsy or Redbubble and set up your first listing. Lastly, explore print-on-demand services like Printful to turn your art into physical product. And don't forget to share your art in the comments or on social media. Tag me so I can check it out and give you a shout-out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we'll dive into AI-generated music, where you'll learn how to create and sell music using AI tools. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the course, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any lessons. See you in the next one. Let's keep making money with AI.